so it's fixed. And on the right side. And now enlarging it remained here. Thank you for your appreciation. I use this tool for screwing, Parkside from Germany, and this also. And now this is almost done. Look, we'll find here, like that, and we will just hang up the pot for the flowers. So we put the pot to the half. It's early spring, we don't have yet flowers here in Romania, and it is empty. We should bring it along, and that the half is here. We may adjust this and this to be balanced, maybe like this and like this, and now it's balanced. So we are waiting gladly for spring bloom or bloom spring.